Welcome to the best picks. The best IAQ Test Kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your family's health, because we spend most of our time indoors, and the quality of air we breathe directly impacts our well-being. This comprehensive review will help you choose the right kit to ensure accurate and reliable results, empowering you to take control of your indoor environment and safeguard your family's health by detecting potential pollutants and allergens. Number 5. Mold Armor DIY Mold Test Kit. It provides a safe and easy way to detect mold. You'll get visible results in just 48 hours. This versatile kit works both indoors and outdoors. Test your home's air quality or sample visible mold. It offers 3 testing methods: indoor air quality, HVAC systems, and surface sampling for visible mold. Everything you need is included: petri dish, swab, and mold growth medium. It's ready to use right out of the box. For a small extra fee, you can mail in your results for professional mold identification. This gives you a detailed analysis of the type of mold found. With this kit, you can easily and effectively test for mold and take control of your home's air quality. What we like? This kit provides results in just 48 hours and offers 3 testing methods for comprehensive analysis, whether you're dealing with visible mold or unseen air quality issues. If you need a quick, versatile solution for both indoor and outdoor mold detection, this is the kit for you. What people say. Bought this to double-check my son's dorm room to see if there's any mold since I kept reading about all these horror stories. This was super easy to use. Only one kit is in a pack and the directions clearly state that to understand whether or not you have higher than normal levels of mold you need to get an indoor and outdoor reading. In fact, when you dig into mold remediation companies and mold in general, you'll find that you need to basically test every area of your home at least twice and compare it to 1 or more outdoor samples to get a read on whether there's excess mold in your home and if it's different than what's outside. Cluster indicator mold was present and located its whereabouts inside the walls, repaired clean good air now in home. Easy, and afford app. Number 4. Airthings Wave Plus Monitor. Radon levels change daily, so constant monitoring is key. It accurately and reliably measures radon over time, giving you peace of mind. It doesn't just detect radon. It also measures CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure, giving you a complete picture of your indoor air quality. Get a quick color-coded reading by waving your hand in front of it. Or, connect to the app for detailed insights and analysis. With 15 years of experience, it's a trusted leader in indoor air quality monitoring, providing you with accurate and reliable data. In the box, you'll find the device, batteries, a quick start guide, and access to our expert support team. Everything you need to start monitoring your air quality today. This device provides continuous monitoring, allowing you to track changes in your indoor air quality over time and take action as needed. What we like? It accurately measures radon levels continuously, providing reliable data over time. It also monitors multiple air quality factors, giving you a comprehensive overview. If you prioritize continuous, reliable radon detection and want an easy-to-use device with clear visual and app-based results, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Readings shown in hour intervals allow you to make sense of daily patterns and changes, for example, weather changes, family coming and going, thermostat settings, day-night, etc. Also exceptionally useful is having the data automatically laid out in graphs, to track against larger patterns like season change, cold fronts, and ongoing mitigation steps. This device measures 5 types of air quality: radon, TVOC, CO2, temperature, humidity, air pressure. The app works great and keeps track of the levels. Number 3. Airthings View Plus. Meet your new home air quality monitor. It continuously tracks radon, pollutants, and other important factors, keeping you informed 24/7. Radon is a serious threat, but it's invisible. This device accurately measures radon levels, helping you mitigate this leading cause of lung cancer among non-smokers. With over 15 years of experience, Airthings has earned the trust of millions. It provides reliable data and insights you can trust. Receive real-time notifications and check your air quality data from anywhere using the app. It helps you proactively address potential issues. The app is easy to use, providing clear readings, trend analysis, and helpful tips to improve your indoor air quality. It even includes pollen forecasts. It's quick to set up and completely cable-free thanks to its battery power. Place it anywhere you need it. Register for a free extended warranty and enjoy 5 years of worry-free monitoring. It's our way of ensuring your long-term peace of mind. What we like. This monitor continuously tracks various air quality factors, including PM 2.5, providing real-time insights and notifications. It also offers smart features and app integration for detailed analysis and trend tracking. If you want continuous monitoring, detailed data, and smart features for proactive air quality management, this is the ideal option. What people say. Top 3 things I did not know until I purchased this device. 1. Radon is the #1 cause of lung cancer among non-smokers, and kids are more susceptible to the dangers of radon gas. 2. There is a direct relationship between carbon dioxide and how well ventilated a room is. 3. Radon decay latches onto particulate matter, called PM 2.5, and then inhaled and gets into our bloodstream. Historical data. This bad boy tracks all of your air quality metrics over time. This is extremely important when you want to understand cause and effect in anything in life. For example, I had high radon. When I installed my radon mitigation system, I could watch my radon levels drop tremendously over time, which proved that my radon mitigation system was actually working as expected. Awesome product that's easy to set up. It is also very accurate. I have a top-of-the-line air purifier as well, and when certain numbers go up such as PM 2.5 and VOC according to this device, the air purifier automatically turns on and they are in no way connected. Different brands. It's also great in the reverse too. I can see the air purifier working as the numbers in the app go down. Number 2. Evviva Science's Mold Test Kit. This kit provides 10 individual tests to check for mold. It includes everything you need for accurate and easy sampling. You can test your home's air, HVAC system, and various surfaces. It's perfect for identifying potential mold problems. For a detailed mold identification, add our optional lab analysis. This provides a comprehensive report on the types of mold found. A downloadable guide is included with images and information about common household molds. It helps you understand the risks and how to mitigate them. See results in just 2 to 4 days. It's a quick and efficient way to assess your home's mold levels. Get a thorough understanding of your home's mold situation. It helps you take the necessary steps to improve your indoor air quality. What we like. It offers 10 separate tests for thorough assessment, with optional lab analysis for detailed identification. It also includes a downloadable guide with information on different mold types. If you need a comprehensive mold testing solution with detailed results and educational resources, this is the kit for you. What people say. Was camping on and off all summer and kept coming back to this weird musty smell in the house. No visible mold, but it was humid and seemed to get worse when running the AC, so figured it wouldn't hurt to check. Results inside of the house were definitely better looking than the outside air, and results were overall better than I anticipated they would be. The actual mold kit is nothing more than multiple petri dishes with agar. To use them, you open the lid off of a petri dish, set it in a location for an hour, put the lid back on, and then scent the dish in a dark area for a week. The turnaround time was pretty good. I sent them a sample of my mold and they were able to email me my results within a couple days of receiving my mold sample. This is what I was breathing in my rented apartment. The entire testing kit and report is compiled by biologists and is very thorough. I'd highly recommend. Number 1. Home Mold Test Kit. This kit provides a quick and reliable way to detect mold in your home. It's simple to use and gives you clear results. Everything you need is included: 5 high-quality test plates, easy-to-follow instructions, and a convenient storage pouch. Get started quickly and easily. You can visually check the plates for mold growth in a few days, or send them to our lab for expert analysis and a consultation with a mold specialist for just $36 per plate. It's manufactured in a Class 100 clean room in the USA, ensuring the highest standards for sterility and accuracy. You can trust the results. Our comprehensive video tutorials walk you through every step of the process, making mold testing easy even for beginners. We've got you covered. These plates have an extended shelf life, lasting up to 40% longer. And if they expire before you use them, we'll replace them free of charge. Our expert customer support team is here to help with any questions you may have. Your satisfaction and health are our top priorities. What we like. This kit provides fast and accurate mold detection with clear visual confirmation, and also offers optional expert lab analysis for detailed results. If you want a simple, reliable kit with the option for professional interpretation, this is a great choice. What people say. I'm super grateful I found this product. I had a suspicion there was mold hiding behind the dry wall, but there was nothing visible from the outside. I bought these tests before cracking down the wall and immediately called some professionals for them to verify. Many of the mold inspectors in our area use an airborne test similar to this and send it off to a facility to confirm. I was able to cut the remediation cost by having the confirmation and start some of the work beforehand. Needed to replace siding on a chimney chase, could see mold on the siding. Set these in my home and had a great sense of relief that while I had some mold in the closed petri dish, after several days, it was nothing to write home about, did not send them to the company. Cheap peace of mind, and if had developed more quickly or been nasty. I know they are the experts. If you suspect to have mold, these tests are a great way to start the process before spending lots of money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.